If Nintendo, Google, Sega, McDonald's, Sony, Disney, NBC Universal, Great Television, and Nexstar Media Group all merge to form a Nintendo Television Food and Game Company, the resulting megacorporation would likely be a cultural and technological powerhouse, influencing gaming, media, entertainment, food, and more. Here's a breakdown of potential divisions and franchises this new company could create. 1. Nintendo Interactive Entertainment Division. Video games. The merged entity could leverage Nintendo's iconic franchises, for example, Super Mario, The Legend of Zelda, Metroid, Animal Crossing, with Sega's contributions, for example, Sonic the Hedgehog, Yakuza, Total War. Google's expertise in high-end cloud gaming, through Stadia and Google Cloud, could lead to revolutionary advancements in gaming technology, bringing cloud streaming to a broader market. Mobile gaming. Combining Sony's PlayStation Mobile with Nintendo's mobile games division would create a massive platform for handheld and mobile games. VR/AR gaming. Sony's leadership in PlayStation VR, combined with Nintendo's immersive experiences and Google's AR and VR technologies, could revolutionize virtual and augmented reality gaming. 2. Media and Entertainment Division. Movies. TV. Disney's massive catalog of franchises, for example, Star Wars, Marvel, Pixar, and NBC Universal's rich film and TV library, for example, The Office, Fast Furious, would be bolstered by new properties based on Nintendo and Sega characters. Imagine an expanded universe featuring characters from Super Mario, Sonic, and Zelda in feature films, animated series, and TV shows. Streaming services. Google's YouTube, along with NBC Universal's Peacock and Sony's media platforms, could create a unified streaming service that spans a massive range of entertainment, including exclusive Nintendo and Sega series, live events, and movies. This would compete with the likes of Netflix and Amazon Prime. Television networks. The merged company could use NBC Universal, Great Television, and Nexstar to form a network that broadcasts video game-related content, live events, like esports, animated TV series, and interactive shows, blending gaming with traditional TV entertainment. 3. Food and Dining Division. McDonald's. The merger could create a new category of gaming-inspired meals or even theme park-like McDonald's locations. Nintendo's properties could be used for special Super Mario Happy Meal toys, Zelda-themed restaurants, or seasonal McDonald's crossovers based on their gaming franchises. Incorporating food with gaming. The company could introduce new food delivery and dining experiences for gamers, such as Mario Kart-themed delivery services, food tie-ins with game releases, for example, Sonic-themed snacks, and gaming cafe. Copyright us where customers play while eating McDonald's meals. In-store virtual reality experiences. McDonald's locations could offer virtual reality zones featuring Nintendo and Sega games, creating immersive dining experiences for families and gamers alike. 4. Technology Innovation Division. Cloud Computing. Google's Cloud Division would integrate with gaming, streaming, and digital advertising, providing seamless experiences for all content delivered by the company. AI and search. Google's search engine and AI tools could be used for personalized gaming experiences, recommending games and shows based on user preferences. This would also optimize ad targeting across all the company's media channels. Hardware. Nintendo's gaming hardware, Switch, 3DS, etc., and Sony's PlayStation consoles would become part of a unified hardware ecosystem, with Google's Pixel devices enhancing the overall experience, possibly expanding into AR, VR headsets and smart devices. 5. Franchise crossovers. New apps. Nintendo plus Sega crossover games. Classic Nintendo and Sega franchises could merge into new, shared universes. Imagine a Super Mario and Sonic crossover in the same game or animated series, expanding both companies' characters into multifaceted universes. New franchises blending Nintendo's family-friendly approach with Sega's more mature themes could result in new game titles and series that attract all age groups. McDonald's gaming crossovers. Super Mario Happy Meal toys and in-store events featuring characters like Sonic or Mario could also integrate into many games inside McDonald's App Store as part of a wider digital gaming experience for customers. 6. Global media advertising. With the combined power of Google's search engine, YouTube, and Sony's advertising infrastructure, this new company would dominate digital advertising, creating personalized campaigns for all their divisions. Live Sports Esports. The conglomerate could create an integrated platform for live sports and esports broadcasts, combining Sony's sports content with NBC Universal's media presence, along with exclusive game tournaments and events tied to gaming properties. 7. New business models. Social engagement. Social integration. Google's influence in social media and search could allow for a new approach to community interaction, with integrated social platforms that allow gamers to interact with movies, food campaigns, and media. Social engagement would be taken to the next level by building game-based social networks like Twitch, where viewers can interact directly with their favorite franchises and celebrities. Interactive content. The convergence of gaming and television would allow users to engage with interactive media where they can control the story or experience, such as games with TV-like narratives or TV shows with game-like mechanics. 8. Sustainability and global impact. Environmental responsibility. With McDonald's, Google, and Sony focusing on sustainability, the company could lead in eco-friendly initiatives across gaming, food production, and media production, including green energy in its data centers, sustainable packaging for McDonald's, and eco-friendly hardware manufacturing. Global reach. Leveraging Google's global infrastructure, this new entity could provide gaming, entertainment, and food services in regions where these industries have less presence, leading to wider accessibility and expansion. Conclusion. In this alternative timeline, the merged entity would be an unparalleled force, blending entertainment, food, technology, and gaming in a way that could completely redefine global media and consumer habits. The synergy between such diverse industries would give birth to new forms of interactive entertainment, dynamic cross-media experiences, and a global culture where games, television, food, and technology are deeply intertwined. For many, you said, add the timeline and TV stations. ChatGPT said, ChatGPT, if Nintendo, Google, Sega, McDonald's, Sony, Disney, NBC Universal, Great Television, and Nexstar Media Group merged into the Nintendo Television Food and Game Company, the resulting timeline would chart a massive transformation across multiple industries, with significant steps taken over several decades. Here's a detailed look at how the timeline might evolve, along with an overview of the potential TV stations under this new conglomerate. Timeline of merged entity, Nintendo Television Food and Game Company 2025-2027, Formation and Initial Integration 2025, the companies agreed to merge and form the Nintendo Television Food and Game Company, NTFGC. The merger is approved by regulators worldwide after addressing antitrust concerns. 2026. Internal restructuring begins. The various divisions are rebranded and integrated into cohesive units, and executives from the merged companies work on consolidating their resources, aligning their goals, and innovating in each key area of gaming, media, food, technology, and streaming. 2027, the first big project launched by NTFGC is a major media event, a global cross-platform gaming tournament combining Sonic, Super Mario, and PlayStation characters, streamed on Google's YouTube and broadcast on NBC Universal networks. It includes McDonald's-themed crossovers with special in-game promotions and food tie-ins. 2028-2030, New Experiences and Infrastructure Expansion. 2028, the company begins expanding into global markets with local TV networks and food collaborations. McDonald's starts rolling out augmented reality, AR, games in its restaurants, powered by Nintendo and Google technologies. This begins a shift in the fast food industry toward integrating entertainment directly into dining experiences. 2029, Nintendo Plus streaming service is launched, combining the game-focused content of Nintendo, Sega, and Sony with movies and shows from Disney, NBC Universal, and Sony Pictures. This service consolidates a massive library of gaming content, film franchises, and original programming. It offers exclusive shows like Super Mario Kart Racing, a Zelda animated series, and Sonic and Friends. 2030, the company starts the first global esports championship, featuring game tournaments across Sega, Nintendo, and Sony franchises. This is broadcast on NBC Universal and Great Television Networks, with live-ins to war McDonald's are gaming events. 2031 A 2035, full ecosystem development. 2031, TV stations integration. The company acquires and rebrands various local and regional television networks under its umbrella NBC Universal's networks. For example, NBC, Telemundo, expand content, now including live gaming broadcasts, sports events, and interactive family programming based on game franchises. Great Television's local news stations integrate new interactive elements, with gaming tie-ins and community events, including exclusive regional game launches. Nexstar Media Group stations, such as News Nation, shift to include more entertainment, focusing on esports, gaming news, and family-friendly content, blending traditional news formats with gaming culture. McDonald's exclusive shows are developed, aired on regional stations and TV networks like ABC, a Disney property, and NBC, promoting new meal products tied to video games. 2032, the company's gaming hubs began to appear in large cities, integrating McDonald's with interactive gaming experiences powered by Nintendo hardware. Sony introduces a new console that supports cloud gaming and VR, integrated with Google Cloud for seamless gameplay. 2036 A 2040, immersive media entertainment. 2036, the company's TV stations begin producing interactive gaming-based reality shows and game-driven soap operas. NBC and Great Television produce shows where the audience can influence the plot through real-time voting and actions within Nintendo and Sega-inspired universes. 2037, launch of game-driven dining experiences. McDonald's expands into major entertainment centers with themed restaurants inspired by Zelda, Sonic, and Super Mario. Patrons can dine while engaging with AR/VR setups that immerse them in their favorite game worlds. 2038, the Nintendo Cinematic Universe is established, with movies and TV shows based on Sonic, Super Mario, and Zelda franchise properties. This includes high-budget series airing on YouTube and Disney+, as well as a live-action Super Mario series on NBC Universal's Peacock platform. It leads to the creation of the first cross-platform interactive feature films where audiences can control character choices. 2039, the company rolls out the world's first fully integrated entertainment city, combining McDonald's, Sega, Nintendo, Sony, and Disney into a sprawling theme park with game-inspired rides, real-time VR experiences, live gaming events, and a food court offering game-themed meals. 2040 and beyond, full integration of tech, gaming, food, and media. 2040, the NTFGCE ecosystem fully integrates global media, gaming, food, and technology, creating a new economic sector focused on interactive, immersive experiences. TV stations across the globe stream interactive gaming shows, with real-time participation. 2041, smart TV integration becomes a global standard, allowing consumers to engage in gaming directly from their TV screens with Google's AI-powered interface that connects them to a cloud gaming ecosystem, delivering games, shows, food orders, and more with one remote control. 2042, gaming-tuned McDonald's meals become a worldwide standard. Each meal is synced with exclusive in-game content as special unlockable levels or characters with every purchase. TV stations under the merged entity. Here's a list of TV stations and media outlets under the Nintendo Television Food and Game Company umbrella, focusing on gaming, entertainment, and media integration. NBC Universal Networks, NBC, primetime gaming events, interactive game shows, and family-friendly content, for example, Super Mario and Sonic crossovers. Telemundo, Spanish-language programming, focusing on gaming and esports coverage. Peacock, streaming service for Nintendo and Sega films, TV series, and exclusive live events. Sci-fi, sci-fi and fantasy series based on game franchises. Great television, local broadcast affiliates across the U.S., with gaming and family-oriented programming. Interactive regional sports and esports broadcasts in partnership with McDonald's. Nexstar Media Group. News Nation, a mix of gaming news, live coverage of esports tournaments, and interactive features. Regional stations, programming that integrates news with gaming trends and promotions. Sony's TV networks, PlayStation Network, a dedicated network airing exclusive game-related content, live events, and esports. Sony Pictures Television, broadcasting exclusive series and films based on video game franchises. McDonald's Media, Instawar McDonald's TVs playing game-themed commercials, exclusive gameplay footage, and promotions. Regional broadcasting deals for special game releases and Instawar event coverage. YouTube TV, a major streaming platform with exclusive content tied to Nintendo, Sega, and other NTFGC brands. Google TV, a hub for interactive TV shows, featuring live voting and gaming content. Through this timeline and the integration of various TV stations, the new entity would revolutionize how people interact with media, gaming, and food, with an unprecedented cross-industry synergy that shapes the future of entertainment. For many,